In this video, I'm going to introduce you to NExT-GPT. NExT-GPT is yet another large language model in the parade of multimodal models. Multimodal means where LLMs deal with different mediums such as text, images, and videos and audio. NExT-GPT offers an end-to-end multimodal model capable of processing and generating text, images, video, and audio. It supports any-to-any input-output combinations, and it is being built on top of existing LLM and diffusion models. They have also released the code for customization, and you can find it in this GitHub repo, and I'll drop the link in video's description. Now let me show you a quick demo of NExT-GPT, which is provided by the same authors. Now, if you go to their online demo in Gradio, then you will find this NExT-GPT demo with a lot of things you can do with it. They also give you the project page and also the paper, which I am going to show you shortly. It is loading. Let's wait for it to load. While it loads, on this demo, if you look at the right hand side, we have few of the parameters like top probability and then temperature, which select the randomness and few other things which you can leave them on the default, and you can customize it for text, for video, and for audio. Cool. Now let me show you how it works. Let's say I want to renovate a bathroom and I want some inspiration from this LLM. So I'm going to ask it, please list down steps to renovate an old bathroom. And then let me close this one and submit and run. You can see that it is processing my input. Let's wait for it to finish. It took around 30 seconds and it has returned me the answer for my question about renovating the bathroom. Now you can increase this text output from here, but I'm not really interested in getting the full one. So, but you can see that the steps are quite vivid. Now let me ask it to create an image of it. Could you please show me the comparison image of old and new, old and renovated bathroom? We have to be very specific with the prompts to get the quality response from the LLMs. Now you can see that first it has produced the text output, and now I am asking it in the same context to provide me a photo of it. So let's wait for it to finish. It's almost done, and there you go. So it has the photo of old and renovated bathroom. That is cool. Now let me ask it to create a video. Could you show me a quick video of bathroom renovation? Submit and run. Now let's wait for it to finish. So it will generate the video and put it in there, but you can see that it has gone from text, then to image, and then to video. You can also produce the audio of it if you want, and it doesn't only one work on text. You can drop an image here, you could drop an audio file, and you can even drop a video file and then ask questions about it. Now, this is the paper which they have produced, and you can read through it. Pretty dense read, but still a good one if you are interested in the research and stuff. But all in all, I believe that this is quite a nifty model, I would say. I have also tried to install it, but it really quite hard and need a very beefy system, as you can imagine. So let's stick to this Gradio demo. And there are a lot of other nuggets too, including the codes and example demos on their GitHub repo. And as I mentioned earlier, I'm going to drop um, the link to this GitHub repo in the video's description so that you can follow along. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.